The magnetic nature of nickel tetracarbonyl. We can see that the atomic number of nickel is 28. So its electronic configuration we can write as say argon and then 3d8 4s2. Argon is having 18 electrons, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 2, 28 electrons. In nickel carbonyl, let us find the oxidation number of nickel. CO or carbonyl group is having 0 oxidation state. So nickel is also having 0 oxidation state because there is no overall charge. Now the valence shell electronic configuration of nickel is nickel 3d8 4s2 is 3d8 4s2. So we can write it like this: 8 electrons in the 3d orbitals and 2 electrons in the 4s orbital. 4p is vacant. But when the 4 carbonyl groups approach nickel, its configuration becomes CO or carbonyl, as you know, is a strong ligand, strong field ligand, and that ligand will make the electrons pair up in the d orbital. So the 3d orbital of nickel becomes occupied, fully occupied, and the 4s and 4p will be vacant. There were 2 electrons in the 4s orbital. Those 2 electrons have come into the 3d orbitals with the approach of the carbonyl groups or the ligands. So when the ligands came, the electrons paired up in 3d orbitals, making the number of electrons in the 3d orbitals 10. Now the 3d orbitals are fully occupied and the 4s and 4p orbitals are remaining vacant. In nickel carbonyl or tetracarbonyl, the 4 ligands will come into the 4s and 4p orbitals. There are 4 carbonyl groups. Each carbonyl group will occupy 1 orbital each. Now there are 4 orbitals, 1 4s orbital and 3 4p orbitals. So this 4s orbital and the 3 4p orbital will hybridize or combine together, having similar energy to become sp3 or give sp3 hybridization. Now let us look at the magnetic nature. Are there any unpaired electrons in these orbitals? 3d orbitals are completely filled, or electrons are paired. The 4s and 4p orbitals are also completely filled and the orbitals or the electrons are paired up. So there are no unpaired electrons. So nickel carbonyl is diamagnetic. No unpaired electrons. It is sp3 hybridized complex. It's diamagnetic and its geometry is tetrahedral geometry.